Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option not showing problem in Windows 10. If your Wi-Fi icon has disappeared or you're unable to see any wireless network options, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by a disabled Wi-Fi adapter, corrupted or outdated network drivers, Windows services not running properly, or in some cases, the wireless adapter may be disabled using a hardware switch or keyboard shortcut. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting methods that can help bring back the missing Wi-Fi option and get your wireless connection working again. So, let's get started. First, in the Network and Internet Settings page, go to the Status section, then click on Troubleshoot. When the Network Adapter Troubleshooter opens, select Wi-Fi because we're trying to diagnose and fix issues with the wireless adapter. Click Next, and Windows will start scanning for problems. It will automatically try to detect and fix any issues related to your Wi-Fi adapter. If the troubleshooter finds and fixes the problem, then you're good to go. However, if the first method doesn't resolve the issue and the Wi-Fi option is still missing, move on to the next method. Go to Windows Search, type Services, and then open the Services window. In the Services window, press the W key on your keyboard to quickly jump to services that start with the letter W. Look for WLAN AutoConfig and then double-click on it. First, click Stop to stop the service. After a few seconds, click Start to start it again. Next, check the Startup Type drop-down menu and make sure it is set to Automatic. If it's set to Manual or Disabled, change it to Automatic, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now check if the Wi-Fi option has reappeared. If the problem still isn't fixed, let's move on to the next method. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section and look for your wireless network adapter. If the adapter is disabled, right-click on it and select Enable Device. If it's already enabled, right-click on it, select Disable Device, wait a few seconds, then right-click on it again and select Enable Device. Sometimes simply restarting the wireless adapter can bring back the missing Wi-Fi option. Next, let's update the driver. Right-click on the wireless adapter again and select Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. If Windows displays a message saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, it means your wireless adapter is already using the latest available driver. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, try reinstalling the adapter driver. Right-click on the wireless adapter and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall again to confirm. After that, click on the Action menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect the wireless adapter and reinstall the driver. Once that's done, close Device Manager and check if the Wi-Fi option is showing again. If the Wi-Fi option is still not showing, then let's move on to the next method. Click on Windows Start button and open Settings. Then go to Network and Internet Settings. Scroll all the way down and click on Network Reset. On the Network Reset page, click the Reset Now button. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to continue. This process will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and restore the network settings back to their default configuration. After the reset is complete, you'll need to restart your computer so Windows can properly reinstall the network adapters. Once your PC restarts, check if the Wi-Fi option is showing again. I hope one of these methods helped fix the Wi-Fi option not showing problem on your Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and feel free to share it with anyone who is facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.